The International Space Station is a national orbiting laboratory. Every single day we are answering big questions about Earth, and about space, about where we came from and about where we're going. But the other thing that we're doing is we're learning more questions to ask. And so the question really, I think that's important to say is, who are we if we stop exploring? Every day is the intersection of the magical and the technical. Our jobs require a lot of focus, a lot of heads down, detailed work, but there's always moments throughout every day that you step back and you realize, we're working off the planet in microgravity in one of the most unforgiving environments known to mankind. It's really incredible.